This is the Hoover Ultra Vortex mattress cleaner. Now, I was very skeptical about this, but I bought it because I had a mattress that I needed to save. It was starting to, well, it was very dusty and it was starting to get a bit of mildew. And what attracted me to this, and it was a gamble because I wasn't sure it would work, is that it's it has the normal suction and brush movement that you would expect a roller bar here of a mattress cleaner, but it also has a UV light, which I was assured would kill the mildew and any other bugs that might be growing in the mattress. Now, this was the mattress that had been in storage for a while, and it was a very expensive mattress, but I was worried that we were actually going to have to throw it away. I saved the mattress with this. I was skeptical, it was quite expensive, but the mattress was so valuable that I thought it was worth spending the money just to see. And it turned out to be a great little tool. If the mattress hadn't cost so much, I probably wouldn't have bought this to try to save it. I'm very glad I did, and I can highly recommend it. You can see what we've managed to get out of the mattress. If you have a look there, you can see how dusty the mattress was. This has only been used on our mattress, and you can see there's loads of dust, and that's been cleared several times, this collector. So it does the job, it gets rid of the dust, and hopefully it's killing the bugs too. The mildew that we had growing on the mattress has gone, and I'm pretty sure it is thanks to this little mattress cleaner. So if you're not sure about getting one, and you have a reason to get one, like you've got a very dirty mattress that you're trying to save, then I would recommend it. If you're just looking to clean your mattress a little, you could probably use a Hoover attachment, a vacuum cleaner attachment. But if you want something more specialist, this is definitely something I would recommend. It also can be used on sofas and other sort of soft furnishings. So, you wouldn't just be buying it for the mattress. But, I would say I'm very pleasantly surprised with this device, and, I would thoroughly recommend it.